How chia seeds can help you sleep better, lose weight, and balance blood sugar. You've probably heard about the amazing benefits of chia seeds, but did you know that this superfood is not only good for your heart health, but can also help you sleep better, balance blood sugar, and even lose weight? If you're looking for a natural, safe, and effective way to improve your sleep and overall health, you can't miss chia seeds. Let's explore why chia seeds could be the golden key to overall health. Chia seeds, the superfood many people forget. Did you know that chia seeds have been used for thousands of years and were a favorite food of Aztec warriors? However, today, despite their popularity, few people fully understand their amazing uses. Chia seeds are not only rich in nutrients but can also help you lose weight, stabilize blood sugar, and support sleep like a natural miracle. Why do chia seeds help you sleep well? You may have heard about tryptophan, an amino acid found in foods like turkey, which helps you relax and sleep better. However, chia seeds contain twice as much tryptophan as turkey. And did you know that this tryptophan will be converted into serotonin and then melatonin, the hormone that helps regulate sleep? Why is this important? Melatonin is the key to a deep, restful, and uninterrupted sleep. Just a spoonful of chia seeds a day will help your body produce natural melatonin, thereby making it easier to fall asleep and wake up feeling refreshed and full of energy. Lose weight and balance blood sugar with chia seeds. If you are looking for a way to control your weight and maintain stable blood sugar levels, chia seeds may be the ideal choice. Chia seeds are high in soluble fiber, which helps you feel full longer, preventing snacking and overeating. This is very beneficial for those who want to lose weight without feeling hungry. Not only that, chia seeds also help balance blood sugar levels, reduce insulin resistance, one of the main causes of type 2 diabetes. When your body does not have to produce too much insulin, cells will function more effectively, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Benefits for heart and health from omega-3. Chia seeds are also a rich source of omega-3, an essential fatty acid that is extremely important for heart health. Omega-3 not only helps reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, levels but also reduces triglycerides, an important factor in preventing cardiovascular disease. In addition, omega-3 also helps improve brain function, reducing the risk of depression and anxiety. How to use chia seeds to enjoy the benefits. To maximize the benefits of chia seeds, you can follow this simple method. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into a cup of water. Wait about 10 minutes for the chia seeds to expand. At this time, the seeds will absorb water and form soluble fiber. You can add a little lemon to help the body purify and support the liver, and honey if you want a natural sweetness. Drink 15 to 20 minutes before going to bed, and you will feel the difference. Chia seeds not only help you sleep well but also help the body reduce stress, relax easily. Are you ready to enjoy the great benefits of chia seeds? Try chia seeds right before going to bed and you will no longer have to worry about restless sleep. With just one simple habit every day, you can achieve many surprising health benefits. From improving sleep, losing weight, to stabilizing blood sugar. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family to enjoy the benefits of chia seeds together. If you have tried chia seeds and felt the change, leave a comment below this article. Wishing you a good night's sleep and great health. Summary of the main benefits of chia seeds. Helps you sleep better thanks to the effects of melatonin. Loses weight thanks to the ability to create a feeling of fullness for a long time. Balances blood sugar and reduces insulin resistance. Good for the heart thanks to omega-3 and essential nutrients. Improves digestion and supports the body's detoxification process. With this video, you can easily apply chia seeds to your daily diet to take advantage of all the great benefits it brings. Try it today and experience the difference. Share this video with your friends and family so they can also sleep well, lose weight and improve their health with chia seeds.